Hello, good day. I'm Andre Trillanes and I'm reading the book The Phenomenology of Willing and Other Phenomenologica by Alexander Pfaender and was translated by Herbert Spiegelberg. The philosophical question it addresses is, does motivation determine human willing or does it only guides free will? In this book, Pfaender answers that motivation doesn't determine willing but simply guides it. He supports this by, number 1, showing that motives present reasons, not causes. Number 2, explaining that willing is intentional and reflective. And number 3, emphasizing that freedom is preserved because we can accept or resist motives. The strength of the argument is the clear defense on human freedom, and its weakness is that strong motives can overpower our choices. But still, Alexander Pfaender's claim supports my thesis that motivation just simply guides free will and it does not determine human willing. Simple as that, and that will be all. Have a nice day and Danke schön.